Welcome to Happy Teachers Academy, the ultimate destination to leveling up your teaching skills. At HTA, we are more than just a training academy. We are a community of teachers where we help each other, we grow together, and we inspire each other. Our mission? To empower online teachers with the tools, strategies, and support that you need to succeed in today's online classrooms. We offer live instructor-led workshops and self-paced courses designed to give you practical, hands-on experiences to help elevate your teaching. Join us and connect with other teachers just like yourself from around the world. Gain access to exclusive resources and get expert guidance from experienced trainers. Ready to take your teaching to the next level? HTA is your key to success. Sign up now and register today and get started. Thanks for watching and happy teaching. Bye.